While Maruti Suzuki could have ruled out the Swift Sport for India, the company may not be shunning a sportive variant, as per a new report from Audi. The website is claiming that the new Maruti Swift RS will likely have a more dynamic character with styling add-ons among other enhancements. It may feature more aggressive bumpers, mesh-designed front grille, underbody spoilers, 16-inch alloy wheels with contrasting decals and a rear upper spoiler. Furthermore, its grille may sport a burning red trim. As for the interior, expect an all-black cabin with burning red trim for the center console, instrument panel and front doors, sports alloy pedals and steering wheel with piano black accents. A stiffer suspension setup should provide sharper handling, while the engine will deliver more power and torque compared to the standard variant's K12M 1.2-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder unit. According to the report, the Maruti Swift RS will share the imported K10C 1.0-liter Boosterjet engine with the Maruti Baleno RS. This turbocharged three-cylinder petrol mill puts out 75 kilowatts, 101.97 PS, at 5,500 revolutions per minute and 150 Newton-meters of torque at 1,700 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. It should send drive to the front wheels via a standard 5-speed manual transmission. The Maruti Swift RS will slot below the Maruti Baleno RS, 8 Indian rupees and 47 pays lakh onwards. Demand for the Baleno RS has been muted, and it would take MSIL some conviction to introduce a second go-fast hatchback variant.